it's a big responsibility as a captain, as a leader. You know, to lead from the front is always an important, which I've always cherished. Leading from the front, and it will be no different this year as well. I will try and do the same. Uh, uh, See, we've got a great squad. We've got great depth in our batting. So along with me, there are a few other guys who have played international cricket and proved themselves in international circuit. So we have to share the responsibility. It cannot be just one person winning you the whole tournament. It has to be shared. If you see the last year, we hardly had anyone in the top five in the batting list, which shows that everybody contributed and everyone shared the responsibility. You will have individual performances, you will have individual brilliance at times, but if you want to win the tournament, it has to come from everyone, not just one person. So I feel more importantly for us, it's for the past 3 years. That's the reason we had so much success, because the responsibility were shared with all the batters. So again, I would expect to share the same, but as a leader, yes, I would like to step up and perform every game I could. It's going to be very important, to get the balance and the position of each player right. Where they have batted in for their own particular state or country. It's important to have that going. And for me, I've been batting for a while now, not for a while, 3 years now, at top of the order. So I would like to continue that for the remainder of the series. But again, everything depends on the balance. If I feel me batting top of the order is not right for the team, I will come down as a middle order batsman. If it helps the team, I'm ready to do whatever it takes to help the team win.